I think the Maths Initiative took off very well with the tests being run, the meetings prior. Having done the meetings prior to that, the setting of the paper, the moderation of that paper, and then linking up with the secondary school teachers who had to administer. So it even created that link, which doesn't happen in this day in our area. And them coming together, marking it. Most important was that the stats that came off from these assessments, it was hurtful, it was shocking, but it gave us the edge. We had to make a difference now. And from that you were able to pick out what the actual topics were that needed intervention. And with that we had Pioneer take on the initiative, and they've had a month of workshops that took place. And I think very, very beneficial, and all our teachers were party to the facilitation of content training. And I think it went off very well. Teachers benefited.
And has there been any feedback from the teachers? Did you show them the results, and were they quite shocked?
Oh yes, they were.
Is it?
They were.
Yeah.
But I think they also revealed to me that yes, fractions has always been a problem. With certain topics that they went into decimal fractions, percentages, topics like that have been problematic. No two ways about it that timetables is the simplest withdrawal work and things like that, and that they needed to implement, they needed to start up to ensure that when children get to grade 8, timetabling is mastered.
Yeah.
It has to be mastered. So I think it was an eye-opener for our teachers in primary schools, and they have already started, they are making that extra effort. I've even contacted a printing company who gave me timetables for my whole school, and every child has an A3 card with the timetables. They've covered it in plastic, and they're now drilling the timetables daily. So it has to be effective, and hopefully by the time they write that ENA, they will be more prepared than they were. And those going to grade 8 will obviously have a better performance rate than what we have. But it would be interesting to go ahead and do this assessment with them again.
Okay. In the new year.
Yes. Yeah. To see if there has been that difference. Yeah. To see if the content training has helped in any way. And it also gave teachers an opportunity to master certain aspects of the content for that delivery at Pioneer. So everyone had a topic to present. I think it was quite interesting. From there we discovered that we need to go into maths vocabulary as well. The other initiative coming up seems to be the English initiative, which we want to take on strongly, because you can see the Wattville schools have a language barrier in terms of grade 1 to 3 and the second phase of intermediate learners. So if we can conquer that through bridge, I think we would have really achieved much more in the long run.
Great.